Okay guys, so I'm about to start up my Mack LE600 front loader garbage truck. It is 4 degrees outside guys, so let's see if we're gonna start up. But it's plugged in, so it should start up pretty good. As you can see, the extension running, and as I said, it's plugged in, so should start up pretty good. What you guys think? I think it's gonna start up real good. There you go, plugged in. As I said, it's minus 4 degrees outside, so let's see if it's gonna start right up or not. It is so cold outside. All right guys, let's do this. Let's try to fire it up. Look, it is so cold outside. Look, my drinks froze. I leave it in the truck yesterday, and it's 2 steering drive. You can drive on that side or you can drive on this side. And let's see if we're gonna fire this baby up or not. It's plugged in, so it should fire right up. What do you guys think? Let's try.
And more at Progressive.
So right up guys, that's what I'm talking about. Fire right up. Not bad. Thank you guys for watching. And the camera up top right there. See? Fire right up. Fire it again. Look. There we go guys. Fire right up. No problem. Start right up. Shut it off. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I will post daily vlog and doing front loader dumpster. And if you look up top, I got a bucket in it now where we do like residential garbage, and when we're doing front loader dumpster, we drop that off and just do residential garbage. Follow our YouTube channel for daily vlog. And this is a 40-yard front loader. Hold a lot of garbage guys. Thanks for watching video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about the truck.